Wyze camera owners had a surprise last week when their web camera feeds disappeared and were replaced with feeds from other people's cameras. This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Users reported on Reddit on Friday that when they logged into Wyze's web viewer, their web feeds disappeared and they had access to other people's cameras' feeds instead. They were able to see the inside of other people's houses and all the events for their cameras. The company confirmed they had an issue with the online camera portal, which they attributed to a web caching issue. It affected a small number of users using the web browser, but did not affect those using the mobile apps. They said that the web portal was shut down once the issue was identified, and the issue has now been resolved. Last year, the company revealed that they had been aware of a security vulnerability for 3 years that allowed attackers to gain access to their version 1 model cameras. However, rather than informing their customers about the issue or fixing it, the company decided to quietly discontinue the cameras.